Pastor, thank you.
Yes.
He can tell you, and his wife down there can tell you. I have a headache from Friday night. Right up until I come here. Me mean I don't know normal headache. Me never want nobody pray. Me pray for myself last night in the bed. After then tell me what to do, I drink some soup, some chicken soup. And wrap up in a one whole heap of blanket. Me go to England one day, and me buy one of the England jacket, the one was hot, and me put it on, I couldn't sweat. Headache still upon me, and me come here and me say, me really want Pastor to pray for me. Me call Pastor Scott. And me say, pray for me. You want me to tell him to pray for you?
Pray.
Out as one thing. I tell him to pray for me. Say one thing, pray for me headache. This man tell me something that somebody can't tell you. I don't know, me don't know how you know why you pray for me. I headache, me tell you for prayer, you pray for something else. Me don't know nobody down here. And if somebody live there and tell him my business, you know, chat too much. Now you can tell me, say, there is a certain thing me I work on. And the thing what me I work on, the money soon come. How you know say me I work on me van? How you know so? I want to stop calling me business and tell Pastor Scott that.
Handsome. Apostle have satellite in the sky. But I know the regular satellite.
Our.
That satellite that in Jesus Christ.
That's why it's so good.
Yes. I want you to help me.
Yes.
Anything me say me want you to say me in a that.
Yes.
When me say you fi say. Come on,
loud.
You can do better. When me say you say. Bandsman, you follow me. Apostle, you call me. You say me must weed out the weed from out of the garden and
weed out.
You ready? Anything me say you say. Anything me say you say. Me say anything me say you say. Mix up Christian. Backbite Christian. Swap and rob. Apostle, I find the problem. I the one that when I want beard, I get in trouble.
Let me tell you something, as a big man, like a big man, you must learn to check your proscade. When you proscade, when you reach certain, Reverend, we as big man must check your proscade. I went to the doctor to get a checkup, and the doctor checked my prostate. And after I don't check my prostate, he do little blood works. And when he do the blood works, I'm in the room, sit down here, the doctor coming back and say, oops, something wrong with your blood.
Lord Jesus.
Me say, what is it? Him say, to tell you the honest truth, you have blood sugar.
Oh, man.
Zazan not feel bad. Me laugh. Me say, he's a jackass. You gonna tell me something and sugar when me can't take the sugar out of my body? Him says, oh, you gonna do that? Me no pay him no mind. I went to put on 6 pants.
What?
6 shirt and 6 socks. Your favor, I sweat. Me say, Apostle, I sweat and I wring them out in a one nice bucket. I went down to the supermarket and buy 6 dozen lime. And I squeeze every lime in the water. I said, that must make drinks. Me not buy no more sugar no more. I so come in and said, doctor, give you wrong information. You see, when dinner time come round now, saints, and me decide to me throw one cup and put ice in it now, you know. Because me said that the same thing, they nice, and my sugar that. You see, the first sit, me said, two. I went to the doctor and said, you are going to lose your doctor driver's license. I don't have sugar, I have salt.
All right, so we're celebrating 15 years here at Greater Works International Fellowship. And we have Mr. Handsome and Zazan here. Comedians, international comedians. Good afternoon, Sir Handsome. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm speechless.
Zazan, what's up?
I am absolutely flabbergasted at this point in time because I am so elated that I was invited back to this real reception where it's 15 years of celebration. And to be here, quite frankly, I must tell somebody you're missing something if you're not here.
I think he said it all right. All right.
One thing that I would never realize that it was the next anniversary, because the last time we come, it would have been 1 year today. Because we came last year. So when we get the call to come back, we thought it was just a regular thing. Until when we're on the way, we say, I wonder if it's the same thing. And then Zazan say, probably. When we come, we see the setup and we say, boom. And for you guys to consider us to come back, oh God, that means that we did something good.
Yeah, bless God. All right, tell us a little bit about your performance.
Oh, flow. I seen the difference. We have new material. I think one of the only material we did before was the church, Black Church, but everything was brand new, you know.
And for me, the performance was absolutely nice because when you're performing and you enjoy yourself, it's nice. It's not coming like work, and time slips by so quickly. I think we did about an hour. Would you say? Yeah. And you know, we just enjoy ourselves. We hope we didn't OD. We just came here to enjoy ourselves, and that's why we did what we did. We enjoy ourselves. Glory to God.
All right, I heard you sharing a testimony about Apostle, saying that you weren't feeling well, and you share a testimony. Would you like to share it with our audience, please?
I said I have an headache from Friday night. Zazan can tell you. I was supposed to go to a funeral of a close friend of ours, and I went there and couldn't stay. I got to go back home, and my head started hurting me from Friday night right up until I got here. And for some reason, I say I want Apostle to just touch me and pray for me. And during the process of him praying for me for my headache, he's telling me some stuff. That two things. We have a project that we're supposed to go on overseas, and it was kind of there on hold. He said, don't worry about that. It is coming through. And then he told me about my van that I'm fixing. He said, I know you're struggling, but the money is coming for you. And I said to myself, like, you're supposed to pray for me for my head, but you. And it was right on point. Everything that the man said to me was right on point. And I find out that it's amazing. And my head, I mean, I kind of feel a little bit thumping, but not as hurt as the couple days.
All right, so you want to leave an encouraging word with our internet family, please?
People, let me tell you, the way our Apostle Scott do church, I wouldn't mind if every church in Jamaica could do the same thing, because he's such an open man. His spirit is free, and he is real. He's a real. So people, encourage, watch Apostle Scott G-Wave. Watch it, be blessed.
Morning, everybody. Listen to me. We came to G-Wave as unknowns, and when we came here, we got warm reception. We were treated no less than the celebrities that was here. We were called back, but let me tell you something. This is since we come at G-Wave, we're territory broaden. We are going for a Caribbean tour starting April 27th. And while we're not saying that is only because we came to G-Wave, we know that God gave us this part of this process. And we have a video that went viral as a result of we coming to G-Wave. Viral. And let me tell you something. This one, trust God for everything. This one, cling on upon God for everything. Me can tell you something. One thing him not do, and it's fail. God can't fail. So hold on upon God. No matter how it may seem like it take 5, 6, 10 years, it not fail. His time, fame time.
Let me say one thing. The video that we did, and I don't know who put it out, but we get a copy and then we share it. Somebody sent back that video to Jermaine Edwards, and he said, Jermaine, look at them guy here. Not knowing that Jermaine Edwards know it because of Jermaine why we end up here. And he said, Jermaine, these guys are funny. And Jermaine said to them, yeah, them are my guy, man, we know them. So the video go worldwide, and most people call us about the G-Wave. The one they call us about that. So I hope again it is even take us a little bit notch.
Before you go, we wanted to big up Apostle and Pastor.
Apostle Scott, trust me, flat down. I mean, thumbs up to you. You are a great man of God, powerful man. You're serious with what you do, and you're compassionate, and you love. You show love, and I respect you for that. Love you. And his wife, I want princess that man. You say a princess. Princess.
Apostle, the vision is alive and well. I believe in the vision, and a lot of people hold dear to the vision. What you are doing, you are led, and I want to big you up. Your wife, you are an empress, you're a queen, and let me tell you something, you're a strong woman, because apostle, who like is a man that have a lot of things tied up, and you dear for circle off him head. You're a powerful woman, so big up yourself, big up the family, and big up G-Wave. And you have anything you eat?
Love you guys. Love this church, and invite us back.
Yes.
And when you open up that new building,
hey,
we are come. We are going to do the grand opening.
Yeah. We want to do that.